I'm very sorry. Trying to get us to do it again. Oh my God. It's still picking on your leg. Oh, wow. Poor chicken. Poor leg. It's still going.